Hi, I am from PC Error Detective. Today I will show you how to take a screenshot in Windows 11 quickly and easily, so you can capture anything on your screen in just a few steps. Step 1. Press the Windows key plus Shift plus S at the same time. This will open the Snipping Tool, allowing you to select the part of your screen you want to capture. It's an easy and fast way to take a screenshot without opening any other programs. Step 2. Open an application like Paint, Microsoft Word, or an email. You need a place to paste your screenshot, and these applications are commonly used for editing, saving, or sharing your captured image. Step 3. Press Ctrl+V to paste the screenshot. This keyboard shortcut inserts the screenshot into your chosen application so you can see it and make any changes if needed. Step 4. Edit and save the screenshot in the application. You can crop, annotate, or highlight parts of your screenshot and then save it in the format you prefer for later use or sharing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the PC Error Detective channel.